Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and Bluetooth ready. Make sure both AirPods and your Xiaomi phone have sufficient charge, then open the case. Once open, press and hold the round button on the AirPods case for about 3-5 seconds until the light flashes. On your Xiaomi phone, go straight to Settings and turn Bluetooth on. This wakes the radio and prepares the phone to search. Doing this first avoids wasted steps and ensures the AirPods broadcast their pairing signal visible to the phone. You now make the actual connection. In Bluetooth settings, watch the nearby device list for AirPods or a similar name. Tap it once. Your Xiaomi may show a pairing prompt. Accept it and grant any requested audio or contact permissions so calls and media work. Once paired, verify the connected profiles. Enable media audio and phone call audio. If you care about latency or codec behavior, note Xiaomi will usually use SBC or AAC automatically. This step finalizes the link and routes sound to the AirPods. You finish by testing and making small adjustments. Play music or a video to confirm left/right channels and microphone function, then tweak volume or mic settings in call. Once paired, future reconnections simply require opening the case or selecting the AirPods from Xiaomi's Bluetooth list. If pairing fails, forget the device on the phone and reset the AirPods. Hold the case button 15 until the light flashes amber then white, then repeat pairing. This reset is the single most reliable fix for stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.